My problem was grinding my teeth during the night, and my bottom teeth was completely worn out, and that was affecting my bites and everything. Pain was shooting around my neck and headache. I was always looking for a solution, and unfortunately it took me quite some time. And a friend of mine introduced me to Dr. Firouzian.
So she had ground her teeth down quite a bit, and we had talked about that to her, and we basically just restored her whole mouth, and it was done in 2 very long visits, and she did great.
The way his knowledge made me very comfortable, and I think his kindness, the trust that we developed during that time. Definitely I recommend him to everyone, and I did, believe me. I have my smile back. I don't grind my teeth. I sleep very well at night, and I'm very happy. That's all I can say.